Yes.
Hello there foodie, it's your girl Clenam and welcome to my channel. If you're like me and you like your rice balls with thick groundnut soup, then this is the right recipe for you. So without wasting your time, let's jump right in. The ingredients needed for this recipe are the following. So my choice of protein was some chicken and some towel or tripe, some fresh tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, some onions, garlic and ginger, some canned tomatoes, stock cube, rosemary and thyme, and of course our peanut butter. As usual, do not forget that all the ingredients and their quantities will be stated in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. Now let's move. The first thing I'm going to do is to share my onion into two parts. 3 of them I'm going to blend together with my habanero pepper, garlic, and ginger. And the other 2 I'm going to cook together with the meat and the 2 fresh tomatoes. Don't forget to chop your garlic, onion, and ginger, and also add some water to make the blending process go easier. And after blending, you're supposed to get this homogeneous puree right here, which we're going to add to our previously washed meat, followed by stock cube, some salt, my herbs, some water, and when all is in, all I'm going to do is to stir, cover, and let this cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Do not forget to add the fresh tomatoes and the onion that we previously set aside. While the meat is cooking and getting infused with all that juiciness, let's now concentrate on the peanut butter that I'm going to blend with half a liter of water and these canned tomatoes. 15 minutes have gone by for the meat, and the onion and fresh tomatoes are well cooked. So I'm going to bring them out, blend them, and re-throw them into the whole situation. This is going to create a thick sauce to which we're going to add our groundnut paste in a second. Remember the groundnut paste that we blended? It's now time to cook it. So we're going to throw this in a pan on a medium to low heat, and all we have to do is to continue stirring until every liquid in it, not every, but at least almost every liquid in it evaporates, leaving a thick cream that you will see in a second. Yes, this is the paste I was talking about. So as you can see, most of the liquid have evaporated and it's left with this. And now what we're going to do is to join the two forces together, and that is the groundnut to the meat stock. And when I stir, you're going to realize that it's very thick, and this is when you decide the thickness of your soup. So I'm going to add some water, and I'm going to gauge the water based on my own thickness of preference. Bear in mind though that you're going to cook the soup for at least another 20 minutes, and the more you cook it, the more it becomes concentrated. So you might want to add a little bit more of water. As the minutes go by, you realize your oil starts rising on top of your soup, and that is when you know your soup is beginning to get ready. So after my 20 minutes, this was my results. My soup is ready, and as I anticipated, I'm going to serve this with some rice balls. And this is the rice ball that I was talking about. I'll be releasing a recipe for this next week, so if you ever care, make sure you check it out. So as usual, if you love what you saw, if you like what you see, please do not forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. And hey, let me also know what you think in the comment section below. Till next time, to the next recipe, it's bye bye for now.